How to remove cameos in Snapchat. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So the process is very easy and simple. Just follow these steps. Go ahead and open up Snapchat. And once you do that, click on the profile picture or icon at the top left. And after that, click on the settings gear icon at the top right. On this page right here, scroll down till you find Cameos. Once you do, click on it. You will get to this page right here, and you will see at the bottom a red text that says clear my Cameos selfie. If you clicked on it, you will get this confirmation box that tells you what will happen if you do that. Click on clear to confirm, and once you do that, your Cameos will be deleted. It's that easy and simple. So that was it for this video. That's how you can delete cameos on Snapchat. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.